I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Duolingo subscription on an iPhone or iPad. And to be clear, this requires that you subscribed to Duolingo through the iPhone or iPad app. If you didn't subscribe to Duolingo through the iPhone or iPad app, you'll need to cancel your subscription through another method. Step 1. Open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap your profile icon on this screen. A menu opens. Step 2. Tap Subscriptions. A list of the subscriptions associated with your Apple account is displayed. You should see your Duolingo subscription in the Active section. If you don't see your Duolingo subscription at all in this list, then you didn't subscribe through Apple and you'll need to cancel your Duolingo subscription through another method, such as through the Duolingo.com website. Step 3. Tap Duolingo. An information page associated with your current Duolingo subscription is displayed. Step 4. Tap Cancel Subscription. The next screen asks if you're sure you want to cancel your Duolingo subscription. Step 5. Tap Cancel Subscription again. You'll return to the Duolingo information screen where you'll see confirmation that you've canceled your Duolingo subscription and the date your subscription will be active through. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.